Good morning. It's, well, 11 o'clock. Is that still considered morning or is that considered lunch? Early lunch. Anyways, I am Shay. I am here for my Walmart's midweek haul for you. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. So y'all, I won the Walmart ball drop thing again. The first period I won $20. This period I won $5. Now keep in mind you can only win once per period. So once you've won, there's no point in you going unless you won on one account more than once per period. It's just one per period. I'll pop up the dates for this period that we're in, which is the second period. There's a total of 5 periods. It goes until November 30th. I'll have a link in the description as well for no purchase necessary. Click the link, check a couple boxes, watch a Coca-Cola video, and you can enter every 24 hours. And so for this haul, y'all, I need 15 offers for $3. It's not the greatest, but I did get some offers at Walgreens this week. That Walgreens video should be up for you guys already. So it definitely made it easier. I did go to Dollar Tree and do the gummies. Josiah absolutely loves those gummies. I'm not even gonna front, your girl loved them too, and my dad loves them too, so they're super dangerous. So I did do that. I only got 5 because they only had one kind there. So with that being said, y'all, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, I tried some things, y'all. If you want to see what worked, what didn't work, definitely keep on watching. So this first deal is unnecessarily, I've been wanting to mention this, but I keep forgetting. The offer on the scissor apps, it went up to $6. I've been waiting for it to see if it's gonna go up even higher. It did start off at $4. And so I'm thinking of doing it now. It's at $6. But now that I'm here, I see they have the maple honey coated turkey breast for $6.54 per pound. So if I grab a pound of that, I'll pay $6.54, and then I'll get back $6 on Swagbucks. So it'll make it 54 cents per pound. And let me see, I think the limit on this is a limit of 2 receipt submissions per. It might be per week. I feel like last time they had this deal, it was per week. Yeah, it's per week. So I'm gonna grab 2 separate 1 pound packs, and it should make it about $1 altogether, which is definitely not bad considering, you know, the regular one is almost $9 a pound. If you want to grab that one, you could, and you would pay $2.47 per pound, which is cheaper than buying the prepackaged kind. And so I'm gonna try to remember to grab this on my way out the door. So yeah. So this next deal I did see posted on Instagram, but once I got here, I realized they have one that's even smaller. I'm gonna have to scan it and see if it works. But initially, I read the offer as it's buy one, get back 50 cents, buy one, get back $1.50. But it's either the 1 pound or the 2 pound. So the 1 pound is priced at $1.54. I assume you would get back 50 cents on this one, would make it $1.04. And then for this one here, $2.18, you would get back $1.50. It would make that one 68 cents. So I'm not sure exactly how that's how I read that offer. Now, when I scanned this little one here, priced at 92 cents, it did scan for the offer. I figured the least bit, you'll grab this one here at 92 cents. If you get back the 50-cent offer, it'll make it 42 cents. So I'm going to grab one and try it and see what happens. I'm not even going to hold you because your girl is super impatient. So I grabbed one of these at 92. It did work for the $1.50 offer. So it makes it a 58-cent moneymaker, limit of 2. So I went back and I grabbed 2 and I got back 3. So yeah. It does work on the smaller one here. All right, so y'all, your girl finally got the granola surveys on brand like I needed it, right? Because I told y'all, I still got 6 bags of granola plus 1 open in the fridge. So I know it's a deal that I don't need, but it's a deal that I need. Last time I got the email around noon, so I checked the app and I did have the offers. I had 2 different survey offers, and it's a total of 12 different flavors. And so I did get a few at Target yesterday because I really didn't feel like coming to Walmart. I knew I'd be here today. And so we're going to go over what I found here today. Now for flavor wiki surveys, you do want to make sure you get the correct size, and ounces, the same flavor and everything. Otherwise, you are not going to get paid. Now with this one, I did notice some of the offers are duplicates. So I have 12 different I have 12 offers, but I have two of them for this is twice. I have this one twice, and I have Kirkland, which I believe is a Costco brand. And so whenever you have it twice, you have to buy it twice. And so I'm going to be grabbing two of the great values for that reason. So let me run through this really quick. So the first one that I'm grabbing is the Great Value Oats and Honey Granola. It's the 11-ounce one. Now this one I do have two different offers, so I'm going to go ahead and grab two of them. But if you're grabbing just one, you'll pay $2.78. You'll get back 6 on Flavor Wiki. It'll make it a $3.22 moneymaker. Again, since I'm grabbing two, it'll make them both free plus a $6.44 moneymaker. We're also grabbing the Bare Naked. It has to be the vanilla almond. It's on rollback for $3.93, getting back 7, makes that a $3.07 moneymaker. This next one is on the Magic Spoon. It's on the vanilla almond. I'm sorry, it's on the honey almond. It's priced at $8.88. For that one, we're getting back $12 on Flavor Wiki, so it makes that a $3.12 moneymaker. We're also grabbing the Nature Valley again. It's on the Nature Valley protein. It's priced at $4.68 right here. For this, we're going to be getting back $7 on Flavor Wiki. Plus, we'll get back $1 on Ibotta as well, making that a $3.32 moneymaker. So these are the ones that I'm grabbing today. So it'll make all 5 bags free plus like an $11 moneymaker, I want to say. Let me share with you guys some other ones that I know I have as well. I think I have the Love Crunch as well. I have the Neutral. But for that one, these are the 11 ounces, and for that offer, you need the 8-ounce. I really want to do this one too because I have 2 offers for that one, and then I know I have the Kodiak as well. And so yeah, definitely check your offer, see what you got, make sure that you get the correct size. If you don't see it in your dashboard for Flavor Wiki, again, I'll have a link in the description. So that you can see if they're still available for you. So this next couple deals is on the A&D. The first one's on the antimicrobial. That one is priced at $7.32, and for that we're getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, and then there's an offer on aisle for $3.48. It brings it down to 34 cents. And then the Treat and Heal Cream one right here in the box is priced at $5.74, getting back $2.74 on Ibotta, and then there's a different offer on aisle for $2. It makes that one only $1. I did this in the last video. This offer did well, I still had it for Upromise, so I decided to try it again. Only thing is, it was buy 2 get back 4, buy 1 get back 5, so you would have gotten back 9, but it lowered to buy 2 get back 2 and buy 1 get back 5. So I grabbed the toothpaste at $3.96, 2 of those, and then the toothbrushes $5.22. The total for all 3 is $13.14. I did get back $2 for each on Ibotta, and then I got back 7 on Upromise, making them only 4 cents each. Now it did change up. And so I'm gonna try it again, but we're gonna do it a little different. All right, so this is what we're gonna grab. We're gonna grab the Gum Protects, price at $5.36. The toothbrushes are $5.22. The total is going to come to $21.16. Now, the offer on Swagbucks, it changed. It's now spend 20, get back 5. Now, I did order some printables, all right? I have dollar coupons. I'm going to see if this works out. I hope it does. If it does, we're good. If not, then we just going to have to scratch the whole deal. So taking off $4 in coupons to bring the total down to $17.16. And then we'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. We'll get back $5 on Swagbucks. It'll make it $4.16 for all 4 products, or $1.04 each. And I know we don't pay for this stuff, but since we got money makers with the granola, I figured, hey, why not? It'll be 4 offers towards our bonus. So I'm also going to be grabbing the Arm & Hammer again. I'm surprised this popped back up for me on Ibotta. I really thought I had maxed it out. So the price at $3.98. Big shout out to one of you guys who said your coupon don't expire till September, because I did. I thought it was August. And so we're gonna grab one at $3.98, $2 printable. It's scanning perfectly fine with the self-checkout. You'll pay $1.98, get back two. Makes it a 2-cent moneymaker, and I've been maxing it out and grabbing 3. And so yeah. Okay, so the last couple deals are in the travel section. There's an offer on Ibotta for the Neutrogena, the little face wash. We don't carry that in our area anymore. I don't have a price point for you, but you are getting back $3 on Ibotta. The other thing that we're grabbing over here is the Tresemme hair gel. It's priced at $3.14, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. It does work for that offer for Ibotta as well as Walmart rewards. So it brings it down to only 64 cents. I've done it twice on both so far. And so,
Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did have a couple hiccups. And so we're gonna get into it, but I did want to mention the snack club. I did put up a community tab post. I did see this posted on Instagram on the snack club, and there's no size restriction. I got these from Vons for $1.79. We have an offer, we have 2 offers rather, on Fresh Reward. One is $1, one is 75 cents, so it makes those only 4 cents each. Of course, we got the gummies from Dollar Quarter More Tree because we love them. $1.25, 50 cents back on Ibotta, limit of 5. The Colgate deal worked out perfect, you guys. Coupon scanned. I went to self-checkout because your girl was her favorite cashier. So those scanned perfectly fine. The toothbrush ones, the toothpaste ones scanned. Got that back on inbox dollars. It went straight through. Also went through for me on Ibotta. The coupon for the Arm & Hammer, that one has been working. I did do that in self-checkout. I don't know if I showed the coupon, but this is what it looks like. And one of you guys gave me a tip if your printable doesn't scan to cover up this like QR barcode situation, cover that up and then scan it. Sometimes it'll pick up that. And so, yeah, I haven't had any issues with those coupons. As you can see, I did the Tresemme. I did a set of 3, twice for Ibotta and twice for Walmart Rewards. Now, one tip for if you're doing Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, I always do Walmart Rewards first. And then once it hits my Walmart app, then I do the set for Ibotta using Walmart Rewards to pay for it. And so that's usually how I do it. And I have yet to have an issue that way. The other thing I wanted to mention with the A&D, that was an aisle offer. If you're doing both of those offers, do them on separate transactions, because I did them both on the same transaction. And it picked up the $2 offer first. And for the other one, it said the receipt was already submitted. So tomorrow I'm going to go back, return and repurchase it. I may have to do that without the receipt though, because I did submit that on Ibotta already. But just a heads up. Sara Lee turkey. This ended up being perfect. So with this offer, it says limit of 2 receipt submissions per week. I'm thinking that that's 2 half-pound bags or 1 pound bag, because I did this one first for $7, got back the 6 on inbox dollars, went straight through. And then I went and got another one to do the second one, but it was gone already. So I submitted this one right here. This one was even better. $6.64. Got back 64 cents for a pound of turkey. Awesome. Now, again, did this one on Swagbucks. It only picked up half a pound, so I did have to put a ticket in, so just be aware of that. I did have to put a ticket in for this one. But to get 2 pounds of turkey for, what is that, $1.64? That's freaking awesome. And I just bought deli meat, and I paid $6. And that wasn't even the name brand. That was the Great Value brand. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the Great Value brand, but if I'm gonna pay $8, I might as well get Sara Lee. And I'm only paying less than $2 for 2 pounds. So for Wiki, I did get 8 of them. 3 I did yesterday. I'm gonna really try hard to do the other 5 today in hopes that they'll all clear by Friday, because y'all know they don't process on the weekend. So if it don't clear by Friday, it's not gonna clear until Monday, Tuesday. And as y'all know, the sooner that you get your money, the better, right? And with Flavor Wiki, it'd be a lot out of pocket, and you just be sitting there waiting to get paid. You know, waiting to get that notification email saying, we got your money, how you want to get paid. That's what I wanted to mention. When Flavor Wiki pays you, they send you a claim email. You have to claim your money. If you don't get that claim email to claim it, you ain't gonna get paid. And if you haven't gotten paid, and if it's been any longer than a week, you need to reach out to customer support and have them resend you the email. Because when I first started using it, I accidentally deleted the emails and I had to reach out and have them send a lot of them back to me because I didn't know how they paid out and I accidentally deleted them. And so just a tip for those of you who are doing Flavor Wiki, if you didn't get those surveys, I'll have a link in the description. They did give me a share link for you guys. And so with that being said, let's run through this real quick. So everything you see here retails $168.66. Again, I had $10 in coupons, all printable, scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. That brought my out-of-pocket down to $158.66. My sales tax was $486, and I walk away with $64 from Flavor Wiki, $61.74 from Ibotta, $15 from Walmart Rewards, $14 from Inbox Dollars, $7 from Upromise. Swagbucks is $6. IO is $5.48. Best Reward was $5.25. Easy Bucks is $3. Tada is $1.50. So a total of $182.97 back in offers makes everything you see here free plus a $24.31 money maker, y'all. So this was a really, really nice little haul. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.